Good morning! Now today we're going to make clubhouse sandwich. So we have our white bread here, lettuce, mayonnaise. I actually added vinegar and a little sugar in it. And then we have bacon, tomatoes, sliced cheese, and egg. So this is just very easy and quick fix for your hungry tummy. Alright, let's start with putting a mayonnaise on our sandwich. Today we're going to start with our sandwich. Just going to put some mayonnaise. Oh, no, Tisha, no. And then we are going to add our lettuce.
That's bok choy.
Bok choy? This bok choy?
Yeah.
And then what's next? Bacon?
Bacon. Bacon stick together.
Yeah, they stick together.
And this is tomato and egg and cheese.
Yeah. What is your name?
My name is Trisha.
Yeah. Let's meet Trisha Ann. And then what's next, Trish?
Tomato.
Tomatoes. Okay. Going to put some tomatoes here.
Mama, after lettuce, after bok choy, the tomatoes.
Okay, tomatoes. After this, we're going to add another layer of sandwich. We're going to put...
How about egg?
Oh, hold on. Just hold on. Okay. Actually, there's no rule on how to make this sandwich. Just go how you like it.
Your sandwich looks good.
Thank you.
But you're supposed to finish your sandwich, not for me.
Okay. Then we're going here. We're not yet done. And on top of this, we are going to put spread of mayonnaise again.
Mama, are you making a tart sandwich?
What? I'm making a clubhouse sandwich.
Clubhouse?
Yes, I am.
Oh.
Okay, after that we're going to put our
Egg.
egg. Yes, you got it right, my dear.
Yeah, I got all right.
And after egg, we're going to put what?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay. What I want is I put another layer of sandwich. And then spread some mayonnaise in it.
You make your sandwich outside the lines.
There. And then oops, excuse me, another layer of spread.
Yes.
And lastly, we are going to put the cheese, sliced cheese. Okay, so many layers of bread. There you go. And then last one.
I got.
Okay, hold on, we're gonna make another one, don't worry.
I want to do like that. I want to help you make a
Oh
sandwich.
yeah, sure, no problem.
I want to put that here also.
Yeah, hold on, I'll just finish this.
I want to make your sandwich with bacon, egg, that, and lettuce. Oh, and bok choy.
Bong choy. So this is our club sandwich.
Mr. Club sandwich.
You can actually put some onions in it.
No. I don't
But if you like,
onions.
then you can put onions. But for us today, we don't want some onions.
Why not?
Okay, this is it.
I don't want onions. I don't want onions.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And sorry about my little girl. She just loved to join me, especially when I'm making videos. All right, say goodbye, Chish.
Bye.